Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the pound yen, I still think this is so extremely clear on the monthly that this is an A. This is 1, 2, 3 waves down for an A, B, C, or B, and this is a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. There is still no evidence this wave 3 is over, and it could always just keep on drifting up very easily. Eventually, it is going to have to make a big wave forward, another wave 5, just to finish off this wave C. So I definitely do not see anywhere near close to this being over. So going down to the weekly time frame, same type of deal. We do not have a Fibonacci bounce. We don't have a lower high, no break of structure, nothing at all telling us that this wave 3 is over, especially on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the daily time frame, this move up was very impulsive. I was originally thinking that the correction was over right here, but actually looking at other yen pairs, I think it might actually end up extending down a little bit, maybe to one of these lower fibs, before it actually does continue up. I definitely think the trend is up, and I definitely think it will continue up. It's just whether or not we already have the end of a correction, or whether that's going to drift down more before it goes up is actually the question. Looking at other yen pairs, this actually made 1, 2, 3 waves up. 1, 2, 3. If that is a 1, 2, 3 pattern, then this definitely will go down and take out these lows, which I'm definitely starting to think is the most likely scenario, especially comparing it to other JPY pairs. So keeping all that in mind, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this is definitely not the shape of a trend to me. It looks like impulsive up A, corrective down B, impulsive up C. I think this looks more like an ABC correction, and if it is an ABC correction, then it definitely will go down, and it definitely will take out the previous lows, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame. Now, if this does go up, and if it does break structure to the upside very impulsively, then I would totally scratch that idea, and I would totally start looking for longs in an uptrend again. So I think as long as you pay attention to your structure, look for structure breaks to the upside. If it does break structure to the upside, start going long. If it doesn't and it continues to make lower highs, then definitely continue to look for shorts, because I personally think this is the end of a correction right here, and that probably is going to lead to the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live trading sessions and get access to my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.